This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing sticker types and confirming your page surface. Once done, test a sample sticker on scrap paper to check adhesion and opacity. Measure the area you'll use and lightly mark 1/4 margins so you don't overcrowd the spread. Cut or trim oversized stickers now, and arrange pieces loosely on the page until the composition feels balanced. Make sure to keep a bone folder or ruler at hand for precise smoothing as you apply the first sticker. Once the basic composition is set, place stickers using the hinge method. Tack one edge, confirm alignment, then lay flat to avoid repositioning errors. For layered designs, put opaque elements first and reserve translucent stickers for the top so underlying art shows through. Press each sticker from the center outward to prevent bubbles. Use a bone folder for firm, even adhesion. If a sticker overhangs, trim with a craft knife against a ruler, while protecting the page with scrap paper underneath. To finish, decide whether to seal stickers. Test a tiny spray on scrap, then apply matte or gloss sealer evenly if you want protection. Once sealed or left raw, add handwriting and captions around stickers using pigment or gel pens to avoid smudging. Let ink dry and then press the page flat in a weighted stack overnight if any curl appears. If a sticker lifts later, reapply with a thin line of glue tape. If ink runs, blot immediately and let dry before resealing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.